Here's my breakfast. I'm having yogurt with granola and berries, eggs, and sausage today.
Yum!
We're gonna eat outside because it's a beautiful day.
And we have our hammock.
Yeah.
What was this passion fruit?
It's ginger kombucha. So we are having tuna sandwiches, and I am having some leftover egg drop soup. Do you guys want egg drop soup?
No.
I didn't think so.
I don't like it.
And Becky does not like tuna sandwiches, so she has hers deconstructed, and she has a jelly sandwich.
I got a new bike today and new crayons.
Yeah, from Goodwill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I only got one thing.
For dinner, we are having red curry with paneer. This is raw milk paneer, and it's gonna be so good.
It's good. I like it more.
Yay!
Let's try this. It's good. Mom,
Yeah?
is this the paneer?
Yeah. It's cheese.
Mmm.
I'm still hungry, so I found this in the cupboard. I guess back when we used to be keto. I have no idea if this is Nourishing Traditions diet, but I'm gonna eat it, so yeah. Well, that was what I eat in a day, except for I also made myself a smoothie. It's got raw milk, a dash of cinnamon, 1 drop of sweetener in it, a monk fruit sweetener, and ice and vanilla extract.
It's quite clumpy.
It's really clumpy. I put too much ice in it, but it's really hot in here. It's hot, so this is nice and cool. I'm hungry. This is a realistic what I eat in a day. It's 7 o'clock, and after this, we're gonna read some books to the kids, put them to bed, and have rest time. See you guys later.